The assembly tree is now available in desktop mode, but not anymore in VR. It gives you an overview of your 3D CAD models. To open the assembly tree, click the pop-out menu on the right side of XR Easy. You are able to open the assembly tree after importing a 3D CAD model. The assembly tree shows a list of all imported parts for one or more imported 3D models. If provided by the import files, the assemblies are displayed in a structured manner. Here you can see assembly groups and single parts. To open an assembly group, click the arrow. There are two ways to select and deselect 3D models. First, you can select and deselect assembly groups or single parts in the assembly tree by clicking on the checkbox. Second, you can select and deselect 3D models by clicking on them in your field of view. You can select and deselect multiple models at once. The assembly tree allows you to isolate single or multiple 3D models. To do so, select the 3D model you want to isolate and click this button in the assembly tree. To undo the isolation, click the button again. By selecting multiple 3D models, you can isolate a number of 3D models at the same time.